In this quick tip video, we'll take a look at the viewer role in Cadasio, how to set it up, and how it can be used to keep your published projects private. Available on premium subscriptions, viewer users can be added to your workspace from the team area. When you add a user, if their email address is not already associated with a Cadasio account, they will be prompted to sign up. Once they log in, they will automatically join your workspace. When a viewer user signs in, they only have access to the project's area and can only see projects that have been published. They can still search and filter the project list, view project information such as the URL, and open projects directly, but they cannot edit or manage content. This makes the viewer role ideal for giving colleagues quick access to your 3D presentations without the need to share individual links. By default, when you publish a project online, it is publicly accessible to anyone with the unique link. In some cases, however, you may want to restrict access so that only people within your organization can view it. This is where viewer users become especially useful. For each published project, you can control access from the Security tab in the Publish Online tools. Here, you can enable Restrict to Workspace, which limits access to users who are part of your workspace and have viewer permissions. If someone attempts to open the project link directly, they will be prompted to log in. This setting can be managed on a per-project basis. If you prefer all projects to be private by default, you can go to the Security section of the dashboard and enable Workspace-only access globally. This will update all existing projects and ensure that any new projects are automatically restricted to your workspace. This is ideal for internal reviews, training, or sharing content with colleagues on the shop floor or assembly line, while keeping everything secure. You can still override this setting for individual projects if you need to share specific content outside of your organization. Hopefully, this has shown you how to set up viewer users and use them to better control access to your published projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cadasio on your favorite social platforms for more tips and tricks.